Good morning, class. It is my favorite time of the day because we get to learn more about numbers. So, I'm going to need you all to take out your dry erase markers and boards and 10 frames. But before we start, we're going to do some movement to get our brains grooving. Addition, action, this is how you play. Move your body and add this way. When you add things together, you get a sum. Let's do addition, move and have fun. One jet plane is flying in the sky. Two more jet planes come flying by its side. How many jet planes are flying in the sky? 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 race horses are galloping round the track. 2 more race horses are coming up fast. How many race horses are galloping round the track? 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 brown snakes are slithering on the ground. 2 more brown snakes come slithering without a sound. How many snakes are slithering on the ground? 3 plus 2 equals 5. 7 brave soldiers are marching in a line. 1 more brave soldier comes marching right in time. How many brave soldiers are marching in a line? 7 plus 1 equals 8. Addition, action, this is how you play. Move your body and add this way. When you add things together, you get a sum. Let's do addition, move and have fun. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below for more fun moves. All right, friends. Now, with your whiteboards and markers, I would like for you to take them out, put them on your desk. They should already be there, but this is just reassuring that you were listening earlier. So, we're going to play our fun game called Roll the Dice. What is it called? So, we're going to roll the dice and work on adding numbers. We already have 1 and 2. So can you write the numeral 1 on the left-hand side and the numeral 2 on the right-hand side? And then draw 2 corresponding objects to match the number. Then give me the total. Anyone have their answer yet? Yes, Quane. 3. You're absolutely right. Everyone say roll the die. I hope everyone erased their boards. On the left-hand side, you're going to draw 3 objects to represent the numeral 3. And on the right-hand side, you're going to draw 2 objects to represent the numeral 2. Anyone has the answer? Natalie, you're correct. Everyone say roll the dice. Ooh. We should be able to count this the efficient way because we already know on the left side there are how many? 5. So we can count on and go 6, 7, 8. So let's write 5,
on the left-hand side with 5 objects, and then write 3 on the right-hand side with 3 objects, and give me the total. And remember, the total is the sum, and it also means in all. Who thinks they have the answer? All right, Jada, give it a try. You're correct. We're going to do this one more time before we learn about the 10 frames. Oops, I forgot to say roll the dice. Let's do it again. Oops, my bad. See, sometimes teachers make mistakes too. Everyone say roll the dice. Everyone, so we just did that one. Everyone say roll the dice. Ooh. So this time we're going to write the numeral 2 on the left-hand side and draw 2 objects. And on the right-hand side, we're going to write the numeral 5 and draw 5 objects. And on a count of 3, everyone shout out the answer. 1, 2, 3, 7. You guys' brains are growing. I can't trick you all. Now we're going to learn about the 10 frames. Trying to get it all set up for you all. I know you all looking at this like the answer's already there, but how did the answer get there? We see that we have 4 circles at the top and 4 squares at the bottom. The circles are in red, the squares are in blue. And if you look down at the bottom, you see the red circle, which has the numeral 4 in there because it represents how many circles are at the top. Then, if you go back down to the bottom with the 4 squares, you see there's the numeral 4. It represents how many squares are in the box. And then over here, you have the total. So let's give this a try. We could count this 1, 2, 3, 4, which is here. And we could go to the bottom and go 5, 6, 7, 8. And that'll give you the total. But if you want to be efficient, we know we have 4 at the top, so we could count on. So that'll be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So since this one was done for us, we're going to go to the next one and we're going to do it together. So this one is asking for 3 red circles. So let's count our red circles. You think we could do this? Yeah, me too. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. And how many blue squares is it asking for? 2. You're absolutely correct. Let's go. 1, 2. So let's count. We're going to try to count this both ways. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know 3 circles and 2 rectangles. Squares. Sorry, told you teachers make mistakes as well. Equals 5. But we could also do it the efficient way. 3, 4, 5. And we're going to click here And we're going to put the number in the box. Let's see who can do this one. Come on, Chanel, give it a try. Oh, start over. We're going to start from the beginning. How many red circles do we need? 3. You're absolutely correct. 1, 2, 3. Let's just make sure, because good mathematicians checks it once, they check it twice, and they check it quiet as mice. 1, 2, 3. And you have 3 down at the bottom. Let's go to our squares. How many do we need? 5. Chanel, move over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count it to reassure, because good mathematicians count it once and count it twice, and they count it quiet as mice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have the numeral 5 down at the bottom. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember, we could do the efficient way. 3, because we're able to supersize. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, Chanel. And now we're going to do one more. This time, the circles and squares are already in the 10 frame. We just have to count them up and put the numeral in the spots to get the total. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. We have 3, so we're going to write 3 in the box. And then we're going to go to the bottom and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. So let's count it the efficient way. We're not even going to count the 1, 2, 3. We're going to do it the efficient way. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it isn't working. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to grab this text box. We're going to make it over here. Put it down there. Click. And we're going to put the number 7 in the box. Ooh, that's kind of small, but this is what we're going to do. Let's make it bigger. Can you all see that? Well, it didn't make big. It didn't get bigger, but we have 7. Now, I would like for everyone to erase their boards and pull out their green math books and turn to page 125. 1, 2, 5.